James Eves here again with FNC Home Theater. Before I get started watching my next favorite movie, why FNC Home Theater? Here at FNC Home Theater, we have a home theater display set up in our showroom that shows you all of our chairs, speakers, projectors, screens, and also our twinkle light ceiling that adds an immersive effect to your home theater system. Please stop by our showroom and check us out.
In our listening room, you can come and test drive several different speakers. Floor standing, architectural, in-ceiling speakers, in-wall speakers, bookshelf, passive speakers, amplified speakers, you choose. When you come to our showroom, make sure to check out the home automation corner. Here we can show you what would happen if somebody enters the wrong code at the door, or if somebody rings the doorbell. One of the biggest advantages you have with us when you need a home security system is that you can see what the cameras are gonna look like before you actually buy. If you ever need to know how to do something with your cameras, don't worry, we got you covered. Here in our store, we have the exact same system that we're going to be installing in your house. So if you need more tutorial, not only you have access to our library of video tutorials, but you can also come to our showroom. We'll help you with your mobile application. We can also help you here and do the things that you need to learn how to do. All of that can happen for free. If you come to our showroom, we'll show you.
So also at our FNC Theater showroom, we have our living room display. This is different than our home theater system. This is what you find in a standard living room. What you see is a flat screen Sony TV on the wall. In front we have our Salamander custom furniture display, which we can customize based off your textures and colors, whichever you prefer for you right here in the showroom floor. That way you get exactly what you want without having to wait for a catalog to come to you. And then finally, we also have our Triad fully customable 5.1 speaker system to meet your audio needs. Here at FNC Home Theater, we also offer customizable seating for your home theater experience. Salamander brand on the right offers different leather options you can choose from in store. The Octane brand on the left also offers a wide variety of different chairs for you to choose from, which are both manual and automated adjustments. Along with the automated and manual adjustments that these chairs offer, we also offer accessories to go with your viewing experience. Our flat tray holder here, we also offer popcorn bowls, wine glass holders, the list goes on from there.
At FNC Home Theater, we're proud to offer several options for financing. Here you can pay cash, check, credit card, or we can finance your system with options that goes from 0% interest for a year or very low monthly payments for up to 12 years.
Thank you again for choosing FNC. Once again, if you like this video, please leave a comment in the section below. Remember to subscribe to our channel, click that notification button, and give us a like. Thank you for your time.